Good morning. We have with us Cherry V. Nair, Director, Visen Industries Limited. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Would you talk about some of the trends in polymer emulsion for paints and coatings, both
Sure.
within India and outside India?
Sure. So the paints and coatings industry is growing manifold. We are seeing a lot of new people who are from the relevant industry enter into paints, and construction chemicals is growing as a segment. So what we are seeing is a vast appreciation acceptance for specialty polymers. So be it introducing products which have ultra fine particle size or introducing elastomeric emulsions. Especially in the construction segment, we are seeing these products are picking up a lot of trend, and we estimate that within the next 3 years, the size of the paint industry will at least be triple or 5 times manifold.
And how big is this market? How big is the market for polymer emulsions for paints and coatings?
I'll have to check the figures with the right person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you talk about the company when did it started? How many manufacturing plants you have? What's the export figure numbers that you do every year?
Sure. So we are basically an Indian manufacturer of water-based polymer emulsions. We are headquartered in Mumbai. We have 4 plants in India as well as 1 plant in UAE, and all of our plants are automated state-of-the-art facilities. We cater to 4 major industries, being paints and coatings, textiles, adhesives and construction chemicals. And in fact, our plant in UAE, which is based in Sharjah, is our biggest water-based emulsion plant in terms of volume and size in the entire of Southeast Asia.
So in terms of capacity, ma'am, if you can talk about what's the total capacity, manufacturing capacity that you do have, and what is the present capacity that you are manufacturing?
Our total production capacities are 300,000 metric tons.
And what's the capacity that you are doing right now?
I wouldn't be able to share the capacity utilization.
Okay. And if you can talk about the future plans with respect to Visen Industries?
Sure. We're actually looking at a lot of product developments. We're looking at integrating our processes and creating streamlined systems. And we're looking at creating more sustainable products in our range, which we see is also a trend in the market right now, which is picking up.
So this means that you would be focusing more on R&D?
Yes, of course.
So if you can talk a bit on R&D and what products that you are planning to bring in the next couple of years.
Sure. So we are actually planning on setting up a new R&D facility. Currently R&D is based in Tarapur and Sharjah. And in terms of products, we are looking at upgrading the products and adding a vaster range in our construction chemical segment.
And any specific reason of having a manufacturing facility in Sharjah, and which all markets is this capacity looking at?
So Sharjah actually gives us strategic location advantage because we can cater to the Middle Eastern African countries. So majorly all our exports are happening from that plant.
And if you can talk more on the export part, how many countries and which are the countries which you are planning to focus this year?
So we're exporting to over 35 countries right now, and the focus of course is the African continent and the Middle Eastern continent.
So FY 2021-22, what was the turnover and profit numbers?
So for our turnover is 1800 crores.
And profit?
I wouldn't be able to share that.
Okay. On the sustainability part, ma'am, if you can talk about what are the different sustainable products that is presently there, what are you planning in future, and if you can talk about say sustainability from a manufacturing side, are you looking at a net carbon zero at a particular time frame?
Okay.
If yes, what are the different steps that you are planning to take?
Sure. So we already have a lot of grades which are an eco-friendly version, and the industry right now even demands, especially the corporate customers, their outlook is always towards environment-friendly products which don't have APO, formaldehyde and ammonia. So our focus has always been on that aspect, and every product in our range can be modified to that. So especially when it comes to textile, we give it a lot more importance because cloth is something that's on a person's body 24/7.
Okay.
So especially in textile, every single product of our range is eco-friendly. And in terms of manufacturing, all our units are zero discharge plants. Be it in terms of water, we recycle the water in our ETP plants, and the water is utilized for watering plants and other purposes. And for Visen, it's something that we take pride in, or that all our manufacturing units have a lot of plantation. Also because the company was started by my father, Mr. Vijay Nair, who his roots are farming. So his father was a farmer, and my dad himself was a farmer, and he came to Mumbai leaving his hometown in Kerala, and he set up this industry. So for us, it's of very prime importance that we have a lot of plantation in our each of our factories as well.
And since you take care of the HR part of
Yeah.
you take care of the HR division, any plans of recruiting more people in the organization? And in which sectors are you looking at?
So recruitment has always been an ongoing process. We're definitely expanding our team, and we're looking at involving more people in the sales front, back office front as well.